Hey guys, I'm excited to announce that the Chrome 34 version will be on the store in about 48 hours or come Monday. So you can begin using this for AI trading sessions. Now, how this works is if you can watch other videos, but you'll come into the main app, go to TradingBuddy, and then you'll have playbooks that this is the framework the AI agent will be thinking through and making trades for you on TradingView and TopStep, and TradeOvate is coming soon. Some more improvements. But you have this one will be, you have two options, monster mode and past prop firm challenges. These will be default, so once you sign up, you will get these playbooks. Now, just a quick explanation. Past prop firm challenges is like, it's a little conservative, but it has like more stricter rules, so it will be slower. Monster mode is just like go do whatever you want to do, pass or and do contract sizing. So you have two options really, TradingView or Project X. How you're going to do it is you'll create a new session, name the session, tag the playbook that you want. You can make your own playbook if you want. Account size, how much account you are. You can add account capitals inside the app, or you can use the default ones like 100K, 150K, or 50K. And then you'll create a chat. So you'll create a chat like this. You will have this whole side panel that will say one live mode. You'll see the account capital. You can switch that. You have a profit goal, a max loss, how many max contracts it can do. So for example, I'll do 2 on this TradingView. And like the trade target, if you want to be specific, one trade, how much money should the AI go for? You have the tag playbook, you have the thinking speed, and when it's in a trade, how fast it should think and really see like, oh, should I exit fast or whatever? This criteria of the thinking, this comes down to your playbook. So I just want to mention that because you'll come into a playbook and you'll have these guidelines, you'll have all this information, and you can tell it like, for example, like get quick wins at this right here, exit, build account capital up, and all that information. You can hop into this page and read it and understand it from there. Then you have like when it's in a trade, how fast it's to check his position. Now there's going to be 2 modes coming in with this Chrome 34 version. You have slow mode. So I'll explain that in a moment, but it will help save you credits. So it's not like always alive and it just waits for certain areas. Then it wakes up and then it can decide if it wants to trade or not. You have execute and sleep. So for example, it waits and it buys. And then if you have this toggled on, it can just sleep and it just either hits the take profit or hits the stop loss. And then once that is cleared, it will wake up again, look for the next trade, etc. Okay, so first, this is how you're going to use it. Step 1, create the chat. Step 2, make sure all this settings is correct right there. Step 3, push start brain. Start brain is only going to work on TradingView because it can change time frames. And then just a side note, like you can add in like your custom indicators and stuff like that and like tell the AI agent to go off that if you want, which is where it's going to become very powerful because you can also build indicators in here in the app, but like if you combine them. And more features will come soon, but that's just a quick little example. So right now, the start brain basically goes through all the time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day. Then it does a liquidity scanner. So it scans, sees what liquidity is still available and not available. Then it will have a really good brain understanding what's going on. You have your playbook as well on top of that. So now it can really like follow your playbook and understand what is going on. So once this comes back, I will show you. You can see it's automatically just scanning right now. And it will be able to trade on TradingView here and Top Step. So if you just wait, I will show you the trading part. Okay, so it is finishing the brain, did the liquidity scanner at the end. It's like updating this whole liquidity map right there as well. So once again, like you can still draw on chart, and that was the liquidity map. This is all the core levels as well. And all this information is in the AI's brain. So it knows based off the current price what it should do and all that stuff. So let me remove those lines so it's a little clearer for you. Then you will push auto execute trade. And now what you're going to do is just pretty much scroll down to the bottom if you want, and it will begin to just trade for you. Like I'm not doing anything. And then there's the first trade that I wanted. Now this is where the sleep mode and slow mode as well will come into handy. So say it didn't like the current position. Slow mode, when you're toggled on, will, like say it wanted to go down to 200, it's at 220. It will just basically stop, and then it will wake up at 200, and then if it likes the idea right there, it can wake up and then buy or sell or go back to sleep if it doesn't still like it. Okay, so execute and sleep. If I had this toggled on, it would have just bought, and it wouldn't have constantly keep thinking. So if you click on the thinking trail right here on this bottom, you can see when it comes in the next one, it's constantly thinking while it's in a trade. Up here you can see, so it's 531.42 right there, and you'll see a new one that comes in every 7 seconds if you have this on. And that's how it's going to work. It's just going to, okay, so there's the next one. It's holding the long, testing that Fibonacci level, the shelf, etc. So yeah, hopefully that made sense. But right now, the AI agent is trading for you on TradingView. Now, I'll explain a little more. You have different models you can choose from. You can see all of them in here. If you want to use Fable, Sol, Grok, and stuff like that, you can choose that. You'll be able to see the sessions. So like how many thinkings, how many closed trades, and like what the total profit was, like that. You can see the chats as well within here. Like you can open up chats. Now take this out so the Chrome extension can focus on this. Whoops. You can have like another browser like open like this, and you can have a nice dashboard interface and see like monitoring your the agent trade for you like that. So yeah, that's pretty much a quick speed run. Now I will make another video of Top Step, and it just works the same way as Top Step, what I just explained. It will buy, sell, same thing on Top Step, and I'll make another video for that. But this is TradingView, and it can work for you right now. This is Chrome 34 version. This will be released in about 48 hours. This one has a lot of improvements, and it should be ready to go for TradingView. Still always monitor it. There are still some small bugs and like glitches and stuff, maybe occasionally. This is why you really need to just stay by your computer until like you really understand your playbook. You understand what's going on, then you can just leave it on all day. So yeah, MyTradingBuddy.ai is where you can sign up.